So this is phase 2 of our research project, and this is our presentation.
Okay, welcome back. Hopefully you had a little more time to work
So the first thing that we looked at was the benefits of an actual playground. They provide a lot of things. One thing is that they give children the opportunity to exercise in a variety of different ways. They also allow children to engage with other kids on the playground and allow them to build up important social skills. And they also build confidence to try new things that they've never tried before. So next we looked at the benefits of a demountable system because that's the route that we were going in phase 2. Demountable systems allow for ease of assembly and reassembly. They allow the user to configure and rearrange the equipment, and it allows for an efficient use of space. They're very versatile compared to traditional systems, and you don't need multiple of the same system because they can be moved around very easily. Demountability is especially useful for people that have been displaced from their home because it can be moved so easily. And it allows for the playground to be shared, which is extremely helpful in low-income areas.
The existing conditions and the benchmark of a standard swing set consists of 28 bolts that require power tools that take a lot of time to put together. There's 7 total wood posts, 2 chains per swing seat, six chains in total with 3 seats in total, 2 brackets to hold the wood posts, and it takes typically 3 to 4 hours to fully build this typical swing set. And in total, there's 46 total parts. For my concept to help with demountability, I thought of a crossbar, typical crossbar, but to save space and make it smaller and to disassemble easily, I had a hinge in the center of the crossbar that holds itself together under gravity and the weight of the swing, but once lifted upwards from the middle can easily collapse from the hinge and be demounted and moved to another area easily.
So for my concept, I tried to remove brackets and instead make a support piece of sheet metal that would run from the top beam across to the legs. So the metal plating would be bolted in to both the horizontal beam and the actual legs to provide support. And the same beam would be placed on the opposite side, so it really gives it good structure. And then both legs are bolted to the top support from the bottom of the top beam to make sure that nothing's moving around when the swing is in use.
For my concept, I came up with an idea using SolidWorks. So there are 4 identical poles which support the whole swing set together, 4 circular hangers which are attached to a long pole at the top, 2 elbows which connect the long pole and 4 identical poles together, and 2 chairs with 2 ropes attached to each chair. So for prototyping, we chose concept. The total number of the parts are 13, and the construction does not require any power tools, and it can be completed within an hour. And the elbow holds the poles all together and makes the whole swing set demountable.